next example over here, and we already have Word, Home, and Office. I want to create an Excel and Access. I want to create Home and Office under Access. Okay, it's the same as it was before pretty much. Simply make directory. Now notice we're in the root of the A drive, so I can simply say make directory ACCESS home, and then space, and then ACCESS Access Office. Okay, and it should work. And so if I say dir show me what's in the directory of Access, I should see those two directories, and there they are. We just created them, and still I have dot and dot dot, which we saw before was dot is the current directory and dot dot is the parent. Okay, the next question, we want to go from the same place in question above. Where were we? I assume we're at the root. Where was the question above? Oh, in the Word Home directory. Okay, so let's go to the Word Home directory, and we want to build doc under Office. So let's go to Word Home. So let's bring this back up here. How do I get to the Word Home from here? So it's very easy. I simply say change directory to Word /home. Notice I'm not saying the drive because I'm in the A drive and that's where this is, and I didn't say /Word Home. That would have been also okay because that would have been fully qualified except for the A colon, but since I was in the root, then Word is directly on the root. So basically I'm here and I want to create, which is right over here, I'm in the home directory under Word, and I want to create docs over here. So how do I say that? Simply make directory, and where is this? This is from, now I have to say go from the root. So since I'm down here in Word Home, right, I can't just say make Access then Office then Docs, because it's going to create that under where I am. So I have to specifically say start at the root. I have to say make directory / and then say Access and then say Office and then Docs, right? Otherwise, if I just said Access Office Docs, it's going to make it from here because that's where I'm sitting, right, in the home folder. Now I still don't have to say A colon because both of these things are on the A drive. So let's go down here and do it. So I say make directory, start at the root, and give me Access and then Office and then Docs. And it's not complaining, and let's actually see what happens. And so here, for example, I just brought up the Explorer window. So if you look under the A drive, you have Access, and then under Access you have Office, and then you have Docs, which we just created. Now the next topic is just in moving around the directory. We've used that before. We have the CD command, and I can move, for example, from any directory to the root just by typing CD /, right? So if I'm on a particular disk, no matter how deeply buried I am in some folder within a folder within a folder, this is the fully qualified path name of the root of the disk that I'm in. That just pops me right back up to the top. Now I can go from any directory to its immediate parent, as we saw, by saying CD .. because .. represents the parent. 1 dot instead of 2 keeps me where I am, and we saw that already. Now if I type CD by itself, it's going to give me the fully qualified path name of where I happen to be. So for example, if over here I go, let's say, to the docs directory, I'm sitting at home. So let me just say now change directory to /Access /Office /Home. Well, so that's where I am, right? And if I just do, whoops, didn't work. Why not? CD /Access Office Home, ACCESS, because I want it should be Docs, not Home. So let me just do that and go to Docs. Okay, so I'm there. Now at this point, if I just say CD by itself, what it tells me is, in response, it gives me a fully qualified path name, actually starting with the A colon, tells me I'm on this drive, and the folder I'm in is from the from the root, go to Access, and within Access you'll find Office, and within Office you'll find Docs. On the next file, we're going to talk about copying files in DOS, the copy command.